I just purchased a 2-pack of Fluticasone Propionate, and it's from the makers of Health A to Z. And you get 2 of these in the same bottle, and it also can do 120 sprays each. How awesome is that? Now, of course, talk to your healthcare professional, and my doctor told me to get this, which is why I did. Now, this is how easy it is to use. And they say for your first week to use 2 sprays, and following weeks just to use 1 spray a day in each nostril. Now, of course, talk to your healthcare professional and do as they say. Now, if your nose is clogged, they say to blow your nose gently and then to shake this bottle. Now, upon first use, you're going to take this cap off and spray it in the air a couple times until you get that fine mist going, just like this. Now, of course, I've already been using this and wanted to share this video with you, but this is how easy it is to use. You shake it up, like I said, and then you close one of your nostrils and gently breathe as you're breathing this inside and spraying the bottle. And now you repeat it with your other nostril. So you close one nostril and you push this up while you're breathing gently, normally, at the same time. And that's how simple it is to use. And then all you have to do is wipe it down and close it up for your next use the next day. Let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. Here's a close-up of what the bottle looks like, and all you do is take off this cap and you squeeze into each nostril. Simple as that. I love using this product, and I've been using it for quite a while, and it's great for nasal congestion, sneezing, itchy watery eyes, and of course runny nose. It's great for allergy sufferers, as I am myself. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.